How to block voice and text on the iPhone. Let me explain it all in this video. If this is your first time here, most definitely subscribe and become part of the Foxtecc community, and that way you'll never miss anything important. So of course, the voice and the text blocking will probably mean the dictation. Whenever you enable it, perhaps by accident, you can start dictating things, and perhaps if you don't like that, you can open up the settings and find a general section and then a keyboard, and you just need to disable the dictation, right? So just turn it off, right? You can also just turn it off for one language only, depends on how you want to have it set up, but that is the approach that you need to take. So that would be the first thing. However, if you want to block the voice in a different sense, meaning that some apps can access your microphone, well, that's a completely different angle, and instead we need to find the privacy and security menu in our settings and proceed to the microphone, and in here we decide which apps, which might be built in or even third-party apps, we get to decide here which of those apps can access our microphone. So that's great, because perhaps you don't want some apps to simply have access to your microphone and, to your voice. So that's the thing that you can also change in here. So yeah, I really hope that that was the thing you had in mind and that I could help you out with it. But if not, please let me know about it below in the comments. I make a lot of tutorials on this channel, so I can make an updated video about that as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next videos too.